Today we're reviewing the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser 1650A upright vacuum with the new tangle-free brush roll. We put it through about 16 tests, and this video will be the results and our review. Links in the description for current prices, and let's get started. We'll get into the pros and cons in a minute, but first let's start with the features. Probably the most interesting feature is the tangle-free brush roll. We tried our very best to get it tangled with pet hair in the pickup tests, but it really didn't. I also checked as many reviews as I could, and the consensus seemed to be that it really does prevent or even eliminate tangles on the brush roll, so that's a huge plus right there. It has some pretty cool attachments, including a crevice tool with a battery-powered LED light, which I haven't seen before. It also comes with a suction-powered pet hand tool for upholstery or stairs, which we found to be pretty effective. These suction-based tools are prone to clogs, but I didn't get a clog during the test, and they are fairly simple to clean if they do. It has a 2-in-1 brush attachment for the handle, which clips on. It was fairly effective, but not at all easy to switch from the regular brushes to the rubber brushes. Alright, so let's jump into the pros. Its pickup on carpet was very good. It has a 5-level height adjustment, which we found did good for low pile and thick carpets. It picked up everything from fine debris to pet hair to large and even extra large debris on carpet, with the only negative being that it has a pretty big blind spot because the belt is very nearly in the center of the brush roll. I don't know if this is part of the tangle-free design, but if it is, it's a small price to pay for not having to clean the brush, but you might have to make extra passes from time to time to get all the debris. It was also a very good deep cleaner on carpet, scoring a perfect 100 on the embedded sand in the carpet test, which is a nice surprise. It has a really long hose, which we found could reach almost to the top step of our staircase, which is rare. It has a switch that shuts off the brush roll, so it easily transitions from carpet to hard floors, which is usually only seen in high-end Bissells like this one. The wand is very easy to detach for hard-to-get debris or upholstery cleaning. It has an unusually big dustbin, which is easy to empty, and though debris and hair can occasionally get stuck, you can twist off the interior screen without tools, which also makes it easier than most to deep clean. It has Febreze infused filters, which is a nice touch, and it has a pretty long cord at 30 feet. Moving on to the cons. While the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser has above average suction at 76 inches of water lift, its airflow was a little below average. We measured it at 67 CFM at the hose and 45 CFM at the wand. You notice the lackluster airflow mostly on hard floors, where I should first say that it does fairly well, but it is prone to leaving little bits of debris, and not just because of the aforementioned blind spot, which is a bit of an issue too, especially if it's heavy debris like sand. Also, in order to get larger debris, you need to raise the height adjustment, which makes it even less effective on fine debris. We also saw that while it did okay on the crevice pickup test, it really would have done a lot better with more airflow. One odd thing is that you have to manually turn a knob on the side of the vacuum when switching from using the hose to using it in its regular vacuuming mode, which I've never seen before, and it's really hard to remember to do, but I suppose you could get used to it. I also wish the wand was a little bit longer. As I said, it was easy to remove, and that's true, but you do have to do a lot of bending over to get to the debris on the floor. While it is a sealed system, the filters are not HEPA filters, which means it couldn't pass our sealed system HEPA filter test. Also, at 18 pounds, it's moderately heavy. 18 pounds is on the upper end of weight for upright vacuums, and you do feel it. It's not that bad, but it's not light by any means either. The build quality is only so-so. I noticed things like components that are hard to snap together and other little issues, but nothing too major. So the bottom line is that I like the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser for homes with mostly carpets. It deep cleans carpets very well, picks up all sizes of debris on carpets while not getting brush roll tangles, and it comes with some pretty cool attachments. But I would avoid it if you have hard floors, if you need HEPA filtration, or just want a lighter, easier to use vacuum without as many quirks. If you're set on the anti-tangle feature, my recommendation would be to check out the new Sharks with 0M, which also have anti-brush tangle technology, like the lower-end Navigator 0M or the higher-end Shark Apex 0M with DuoClean technology, which has a much better hard floor performance, and both of which are sealed systems with HEPA filtration. I'll link to our reviews of both of those in the description section, and stay tuned as we'll include the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser and 6 other vacuums in a massive Best Vacuum for Pet Owners competition coming up next week. Links in the description, and consider a like or a subscription to Vacuum Wars if this video helped you out. And look for new videos every Tuesday and Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for watching.